The 2026 BMW XM is one of those SUVs that instantly makes a statement. This isn't BMW playing it safe, this is BMW going all in on bold design, performance, and presence. From the moment you see it, the XM feels powerful, modern, and unapologetically different. The design is aggressive and futuristic. Up front, the large BMW kidney grille and slim headlights give the XM a strong, confident face. The body sits wide and tall, with muscular lines and large wheels that make it look planted on the road. It doesn't try to blend in, it's designed to stand out, especially in darker colors like black, where the sharp edges and details really pop. Under the hood, the 2026 XM continues with a high-performance hybrid setup that blends serious power with modern efficiency. It delivers strong acceleration, smooth cruising, and instant response when you put your foot down. This SUV isn't just about straight-line speed, it feels controlled, confident, and surprisingly athletic for its size. Step inside, and the XM shifts into luxury mode. The cabin feels modern and high-end, with a wide-curved digital display, premium materials, and a driver-focused layout. Everything feels solid and refined, but still performance-oriented. It's the kind of interior that works just as well for daily driving as it does for long trips. Technology plays a big role here too. The infotainment system is fast and intuitive, driver assist features make everyday driving easier, and customizable drive modes let you tailor the experience to your mood, comfort, sport, or something in between. Pricing places the 2026 BMW XM firmly in the premium performance SUV category. It's not meant to be affordable, it's meant to be exclusive. And when you look at the design, power, and tech packed into it, that premium starts to make sense. Overall, the 2026 BMW XM is bold, powerful, and confident. It's for people who want luxury, performance, and presence all in one package and don't mind standing out while doing it.